Hi, welcome to King's, and today we are doing one of King's favourites, Purple Rain. Okay, so we're going to start with our vodka and Archers, popped into our Boston shaker, like so. Then we're going to add into our Boston shaker our sour mix, a shot of sour mix, half of grenadine, half of blue curacao, like so. Then we're going to pop that into our Boston shaker on ice, give it a right good shake until there's condensation around the outside. Open that up, get our strainer in our wonderfully frozen glass. I will top it up with a little bit of lemonade. Yes. And then strain it in. You have that purple rain. Ooh, look at the colour. Absolutely amazing, everybody. Wonderful. Finish it off with your lemon and your straw. Absolutely delicious. Voila.